Díodíobh agus fáilte arás go Gaeilge mo chroí, agus má tá tú níon seo díodid agus fáilte. Inniu bhé mé a gin sin Steve go dé mar a hiag libh comhrá a thosaú as Gaeilge. My first and most popular video was called How to Start Speaking Irish. And in that video I shared some of the greetings, some like words, phrases, but this time I'm going to be showing you how to start a conversation and what that would look like in Irish. We're going to start with the greetings and then how are you, and then it's going to be like a conversation with somebody that you've never met before, introduction kind of questions. Introduce, firstly, hello, saying hello, as Gaeilge. Gia ditch, Gia ditch, literally God for you. Gia ditch. There are different ways to pronounce that and other things in this video, but I'm just going to be showing you my way, which is in line with the Ulster dialect mainly for today. And to respond, it's a little different.
Gia is Muire ditch. Gia is Muire ditch.
Of course, it's not a big deal if you forget and say Gia ditch back when somebody says Gia ditch, but that's the way it should go. If you're meeting a group of people or more than one person for the first time, you would change ditch to deave. So use the exact same structure for both, but change ditch to deave. And that just changes it to you plural. How are you? So, a few different ways to say this. Let's stick to one today. This is the Ulster dialect way. But with how are you, people are generally familiar with the 3 different ways to say it. Caidé mar a tá tú. Caidé mar a tá tú. Caidé mar a tá tú. How are you? Literally, what it like are you? Doesn't sound so good, the direct translation in English, but so you understand, it's literally what it like are you. Notice how the cad and the a are like merged together to produce caidé. That's usually the way it's said. How can you respond to caidé mar a tá tú? We're not going to go through a whole list. Yes, there's many different ways you could be feeling, but we're going to stick to the ones that realistically people always say. And if you want some more different ones, check out my video about emotions, how to say how you feel in Irish, and there's loads in that. Another Ulster phrase, it's a really nice phrase, but again, you can say it and people will understand it. Níl cael orm. Níl cael orm. Níl cael orm. There's not a loss on me. Not a loss on me. I'm not too bad. Níl cael orm. I started with that and not tá mé go mai, maar that is overused. Although I say it all the time. All the time. But I'm usually good. Tá mé go mai. Tá mé go mai. I'm good. I'm well. And another very common one I find people say a lot, so I'm going to throw it in here. There's not going to be a list like I said, but this one always said Tá tursa orm. Tá tursa orm. Tiredness is on me. Or even more literally is tiredness on me. Tiredness is on me. I'm tired. If you check out my video about emotions, you'll see that they are phrased in that way as being on you, which suggests that they're temporary, which I like because, you know, you're not tiredness. It's just on you right now. Poetic.
Caidé is ainm ditch. Cad is ainm ditch in standard. What is name for you, literally. Molly is ainm du. In Ulster, it's du, or just Molly is ainm dum standard. No, it's Misha Molly. I am Molly, it's Misha Molly.
Ca has tú. Ca has tú. No, cad as tú. Cad as tú. Where are you from? Ca has tú. Cad as tú is literally what out of you. Where are you out of? Or what are you out of?
If you want to be really specific.
Ca has tú is where from you. Where are you from? I would say is as Eden me. Is as Eden me. I'm from Ireland. Or is as Dunanal me. Is as Dunanal me. I'm from Donegal. If you'd like some different responses, I did do a video about countries a while ago. I'll put it up here. Probably need to update that because I didn't put in every country, but that'll help you out. Cá bhfuil tú I do chónaí? Cá bhfuil tú I do chónaí? Where are you living? Where do you live? Literally, where are you in your living? In your living. I do chónaí. Response: Tá mé I mo chónaí in Éireann. Tá mé I mo chónaí in Éireann. I am in my living in Ireland. Or I would say Tá mé I mo chónaí I Nunanal. Tá mé I mo chónaí I Nunanal. I am in my living in Donegal. There's a reason why the N is before the D in that case. If you want to know why, check out my video about eclipses and you'll get more explanation for that. A common thing people do is say Tá mé I do chónaí when they reply Tá mé I do chónaí, but that would be saying I'm in your living. Like, I'm living where you are, and you're probably not. So you'd want to say Tá mé I mo chónaí. I am in my living. Again, check out the country videos for other options. Is deas bualadh leat. Is deas bualadh leat. Or tá sé go deas bualadh leat. Tá sé go deas bualadh leat. Either of those mean it's nice to meet you. Use the verb bualadh plus le. If you don't use the preposition le, that will mean it's nice to hit you. And I don't think that's what you want to say. The preposition is really important there. Really, you're saying it's nice to meet with you, but the with is what makes it mean meet. And you. In Irish, it's common to say and yourself. Agus tú hain. Agus tú hain. And yourself. Agus tú hain. You can't say agus tusa. Agus tusa. Tusa is the emphatic form of two, putting emphasis on you. Because in Irish, you don't put emphasis vocally. You wouldn't say agus tú, like and you. You would change to tusa to put that emphasis. So agus tú hain or agus tusa and you.
So I decided to make a little conversation out of this with my dad. We used only the phrases that I've shown, so it seems a little stilted, but it's just to recap on phrases from this video. Of course, in real life, it would be a bit more natural if we were meeting for the first time. I would hope, anyway. But I hope you enjoy.
Gaeilge.
Jeez, Muire.
Could you mar tatu?
Tá mé go hanmhaith agus tú hain.
Níl cailarm gur maigad. Could you ainm dit?
Seán is ainm dom agus tú hain.
Is mis Molly. Agus cá has tú?
Is as bailile clia mé.
Cá bhfuil tú do chónaí?
Tá mé mo chónaí leat ceann.
Is deas bualadh leat a cheann?
Is deas bualadh leat a bhfuil.
Shin. That is all for this little video about how to start a conversation. A very basic conversation. I really hope that you enjoyed. And if you would like a part 2, I'd like to extend it a bit and then go on to do more conversational questions. If you'd like to see that, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Tásúlagam gur bhain sibh sult as an ishan seo. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you're just starting to learn Irish, welcome to the club, and I wish you all the very best. Stay subscribed to my channel so that you can continue to learn with me, and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video. A fáilte gur a míle mai agad as daciat, tá mé fíor bhuíochasibh. If you would like to be a patron, the link is in my description. There are benefits, so go check it out. Ach, sin é, gur a míle mai agad agus tíofaí mé sa chéadí sean eile sibh. Slán! You're doing fine.
Why are you laughing?
It's just the Agus to hay. Because obviously you need to, but it's nothing.
And you? A wally just is awful.
What?
Your name in Irish is a wally.
Oh, I thought you meant this is awful.
No.